Do you want something that's gonna replace chrysanthemums? Tired of chrysanthemums as the only plant seems to be blooming in the fall? What can you plant that'll bloom and bloom and bloom, attract the pollinators, and is a native plant? The answer is Golden Aster. Let's go take a look because this may be just the plant that you want to add to your garden. Oh my, what a sight! Afternoon, it's early fall, the sun is shining, it's in the high 70s, and beautiful colors in my Mary garden. And a close look at what's blooming, yellow tick seed. This is one of the plants, the wildflower of the state of Florida. There are many varieties of tick seed, and this one bloomed in the spring, and now it's blooming again. But the most spectacular of all is this gorgeous golden aster. Look at that. And the bees, the pollinators, every plant has multiple pollinators on it. It's packed with all kinds of bees and even butterflies. You can see one of the butterfly in the distance coming to nectar, and looks like that is a Gulf flitterary butterfly that has come to nectar here on that plant. And it's the adults, of course, that come to nectar. This is not a host plant, but it's a nectar plant. So when you're doing a butterfly garden, this is the kind of plant that you want for those late flying butterflies. And if you're doing a pollinator garden, for sure, this is an aster that you want to add to your pollinator garden because of all the activity for the late flying pollinators. It is about 2.5 feet tall, maybe 3. It likes full sun, moderate water needs. I usually water about once a week if it doesn't rain. And because November, this time of year, is usually dry in Florida, we haven't had rain for a while, so we are watering once a week. We do a deep soak so that the water goes down. The roots will extend about 6 inches down, maybe to 12. Usually it's more the shrubs that go down to 12 inches, and the perennials like this one go about 6 inches. You want to water long enough so that you get the water that the plant roots need in order to continue to thrive. So the bloom time on this plant is fall into frost. And the bloom color, of course, is yellow, one of the favorite colors attracting both butterflies and bees. And the bloom form is open-faced. You can see all of the petals around the center, which has both pollen and nectar. And you can see how easy it is for a bee to access the nectar and gather the pollen at the same time. This is a perennial. It's considered native to the northeastern United States. Some call it Maryland Golden Aster, and it's also considered Florida-friendly plant. The growth habit, it comes up on individual stems, and it branches out to bloom from that. And then when frost comes, it will die back. Just make sure it has enough mulch so the roots don't freeze in the wintertime. So I'll put down maybe a 3-inch mulch on it. It's got some mulch now that needs to be refreshed. And that I put down for the summer because it was hot. And that helps with moisture control and also weed control. Remember, weeds compete with the plant roots for nutrients and water. So if you want things to really thrive, yes, weeding is important. I weed by hand. I do not spray or put any kind of systemic herbicide, fertilizer type things on my plants. If you're looking for a great hardy plant that you're definitely going to get pollinators, no questions asked, this golden aster might be just the plant for your garden. It's such a pleasure to be able to walk out and enjoy these beautiful fall blooming flowers. And this golden aster is the highlight of my garden. Here we are in November. It's blooming like crazy, and the pollinators and butterflies that are still flying are all over it. So if you want something that is a native plant, that is a huge bloomer, beautiful, spectacular view from your windows, check out the golden aster. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you've not subscribed for more garden ideas and gardening tips. See you again soon.